Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. I am Neha Rajvanshi and I welcome you all in our today's class, that is English class of class 9th. So students, in the previous video we have completed reading with our part 1 from the chapter 2 from the book Beehive. The name of the chapter is The Sound of Music. Okay, so I am very much sure that the chapter it is very much clear to you all. Okay, and in today's video we will solve the questions. Okay, so let's begin. Question first, answer these questions in a few words or a couple of sentences each. Okay, so let's see our first question. Question 1 is, how old was Evelyn when she went to the Royal Academy of Music? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that what was the age of Evelyn when she went to this academy, Royal Academy of Music. Okay, so what was her age? Let's see answer. Evelyn was 17 years old when she went to the Royal Academy of Music. Okay, so what was her age? See, she was 17 years old, okay, when she went to Royal Academy of Music. Okay. Question second, when was her deafness first noticed? When was it confirmed? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that जो एवलिन की deafness थी, right? So in the chapter we have read that it was gradual, right? So first of all उनकी जो deafness थी वो कब notice में आई थी? Okay, and when it was confirmed? Okay, so let's see the answer. Her deafness was first noticed when she was 8 years old. Okay, so when her deafness was first noticed, it was first noticed when she was 8 years old, right? So we have read in the chapter that when she was 8 years old, okay, so at that time she had to perform in one event, she had to play the piano, and okay, and she was waiting for her turn, okay, and her name was being called but still she didn't move. Okay, so this was the time that Evelyn's mother, she noticed that something is wrong with her daughter, okay, and her deafness was confirmed when she was 11 years old. Okay. Next question, answer each of these questions in a short paragraph. Okay, so let's see first question. Who helped her to continue with music? What did he do and say? Okay, so in this question we have to tell that who was the person who helped Evelyn to continue with music, okay, and to help her, what did he do and what did he say? Okay, so let's see the answer. Percussionist Ron Forbes helped Evelyn to continue with music. Okay, so who was this person? He was Mr. Ron Forbes. Okay, and who was he? He was a great percussionist. Okay, and he was the person who helped Evelyn to continue with music, to continue with her passion for music. Okay, he began by tuning two large drums to different notes and said, okay, and to train her in music, what did he do? He began by tuning two large drums, okay, to different notes, okay, and then he said to Evelyn, don't listen through your ears, try to sense it some other way. Okay, so Evelyn jo thi, she was unable to hear. Okay, so at that time Mr. Ron Forbes, he advised Evelyn to sense the music, to feel the music, okay, without using the ears. Okay, and soon Evelyn discovered that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Okay, and when she continued this exercise for so many times, and then after she was able that she was able to discover that she could sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Okay, so finally she was able to sense the music, to feel the vibrations of the music with the help of her different body parts and with the help of her brain. Okay. Next question, name the various places and causes for which Evelyn performs. Okay, so in this question we have to tell about the different places, okay, and about the different causes for which Evelyn she used to perform. Okay, so let's see the answer. Evelyn performs at regular concerts. Okay, so first of all she was a musician, she was a very successful musician, so she used to perform in very different concerts, very different events. Okay, and she also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. Okay, so apart from the regular concerts, she used to perform in prisons and hospitals. Okay, so there she used to give free concerts, right? She also gives a high priority to classes for young musicians. Okay, and she was very much interested to give classes to the young musicians, to the aspiring musicians also. Okay. Next question is, answer the questions in 2 or 3 paragraphs. Okay, so our question is, how does Evelyn hear music? Okay, so let's see the answer. Evelyn hears music by sensing the notes in different parts of her body. Okay, Ron Forbes, her trainer, turns two drums to different notes and asks her not to listen it through her ears but sense it in some other way. Okay, and there was one percussionist, that was Mr. Ron Forbes, and he was also Evelyn's trainer. Okay, and he used to turn two drums to different notes, and then he used to ask her not to listen it through her ears, okay, but sense it in some other way. Okay, then she realizes that she could feel the higher drum from the waist up and the lower drum from the waist down. Okay, and when she was doing the repeated exercise with Ron Forbes, then after some time she was able to feel, able to realize that, you know, she is able to feel the vibrations of the higher drum from the waist up. Okay, waist up means upper body, and the lower drum from the waist down, it means lower body, right? So different parts of body, say she used to sense, she used to feel different notes of the music. Okay, she learns how to open her mind and body to sounds and vibrations. Okay, so now she was having this idea that if she is unable to use her ears, then she has to use her brain, she has to use her different body parts to feel the music, to sense the music. Okay, repeating the same exercise with Forbes, Evelyn starts discovering that she can sense certain notes in different parts of her body. Okay, she plays the xylophone, she can sense the sound passing up the stick into her fingertips. Okay, so सब इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स के नोट्स को वो अलग तरह से फील क्या करती थी. If she was playing xylophone, okay, so at that time she used to sense the vibration with the help of her fingertips. Okay, by leaning against the drums, she can feel the resonances flowing into her body. Okay, and to feel the vibrations of the drum, she used to lean against the drum, and then she used to feel the resonances, the echoes, the vibrations of the music flowing into her body. Okay, on a wooden platform, she removes her shoes so that the vibrations pass through her bare feet and up her legs. Okay, and if she is standing on a wooden platform and she is performing there, at that time she used to remove her shoes. Okay, so that she will be able to feel the vibrations through her bare feet. Okay, and all the vibrations जो थे वो bare feet से वो feel करती थी, and then up her legs. Okay, she says that music pours in through every part of her body. It tinkles in the skin, the cheekbones, and even in her hair. Okay, so वो यही कहा करती थी कि जो म्यूजिक है वो सभी बॉडी की तो डिफरेंट पार्ट्स हैं, राइट. डिफरेंट पार्ट्स है जो म्यूजिक है वो उनके अंदर pour in होता है. ओके, एंड म्यूजिक यूज टू टिंकल इन द स्किन, in her cheekbones, and even in her hair. Okay, so this was the way that Evelyn, who was a deaf person but still she was able to hear the music, she was able to feel the music, she was able to sense the music. Okay, so students, we have completed all the questions that are there in the chapter. I hope part 1 chapter and all the question answers, everything is clear to you all. Okay, and in the next video we will start with our part 2 from the chapter. So see you in the next video. Thank you.